We design our own data centers and everything that goes inside it. We are not bound by any kind of limitations from the industry, right? If it is the right thing to do for the planet or for people or for any other engineering option, then we do it.
Scale is something that I'm constantly amazed at with Google. Today we use machine learning to try to improve the way that we use the power and the cooling systems to make sure that the data center is running as efficiently as it possibly can.
You only need a small improvement in a product, but at Google scale, that accumulates and you get a big savings at planet scale.
I started my career 20 years ago in Malaysia. I have opportunity to come to Taiwan, and now I'm coming back to my roots, I guess. Now my family likes Taiwan, so we basically call Taiwan our home now. The convenience here helps a lot because during weekend we can always go to interesting places and visit.
I was finishing up my PhD at the University of Texas in Austin, so I met some Taiwanese students over there, and they taught me a few Chinese sentences. I thought, wow, that's a pretty cool language, and so I wanted to come over to Taiwan and actually learn Mandarin in a local setting. 对我来说，中文是一个很好听的语言，它其实很美，每个字有意思。比方说，爱里面有心 ，so 是非常重要的意思。
At first, it was really hard for me to imagine that a hardware guy working in Google. So I like to experience this culture myself. Like after 2 years, I truly feel that this is not a tagline, especially on the respecting each other side. If anyone has any new ideas, I feel that people always go back and calibrate with all different stakeholders just to make sure everyone is on board to the idea. Once we find a common goal, a common objective, things would move much more smoother and faster at the same time. So it's pretty challenging time for all of us during that time. But it was a very fun and very excited journey that I will always treasure for my life.
我来自彰化，但因为就学跟工作的关系，我一直都在外地。其实是真的没有想过我可以是回到自己的家乡，然后就在我自己家乡里头，跟我的团队做国际级的工作，影响全世界。